Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off a slightly arbitrary thing in Python. You'll get the pun in a minute. Arbitrary arguments for subfunctions. You can see the pun there, can't you? So, when you're working in Python and you're using your subfunctions, you might not know how many inputs you might get from the user, such as if it's a while loop repeating and getting new inputs each time. So there's a very good way to do this. They're called arbitrary arguments. And what they will do, it's far off the variable. What they'll do is they can receive an infinite amount of inputs, and they will return almost as a list. Because you index them like a list. You just put your arbitrary argument and then indexing. So let's put 2. I don't think we can call a subfunction. I've done something wrong. Oh yeah, there's not enough there. As you can see, alright, I didn't have the squiggly brackets. As you can see, it's taking not the first, because you remember the list almost started at 0. It's taking the second one, so hello 2. We put 0, hello 1, 2, hello 3. Because it almost imagines it as a list, and so you're just essentially formatting within the list, index within the list. As you can see, you can use standard arguments with arbitrary arguments. When the standard argument is before the arbitrary argument, because it will know that the first one is the first argument, and then all the ones after that are for the arbitrary. But you can't do it after, because it doesn't know where to stop between arbitrary arguments and your defined argument. But you can use it before, because it will just go, okay, the first 4 are standard, then the last ones are arbitrary. So they're only possible for the last one. It will almost work like a list. Just to show you can actually call them. But it didn't demonstrate if you could call the argument before the arbitrary. I have misspelled that. Yeah, you can just call upon it with no issue. And you could have another one. As long as you have enough for your arbitrary arguments calling later. See, you can have as many normal arguments as you want and your arbitrary argument. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe, and please comment especially because I like learning how you learn and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.